Hello everyone. Three schools A, B, C organized a mela for collecting funds for helping rehabilitation of flood victims. They sold handmade fans, mats and plates from recycled material at a cost of Rs 25, Rs 100 and Rs 50 each. The number of articles sold are given as follows. Find the funds collected by each school separately by selling the above articles and write the total funds collected for the purpose. Also write one value generated by the above situation. So the number of articles here for the handmade fans are 40, 25 and 35 respectively. The number of mats sold for ABC schools are 50, 40 and 50 respectively, and number of plates sold are 20, 30 and 40 respectively. This matrix tells us about the cost for each product. 25 rupees per unit is the handmade fans, mats for 100 rupees per unit and 50 rupees per unit for the plates. So when we multiply these two matrices, it gives us the total funds required. So when we multiply 40 with 25, 50 with 100 and 20 with 50, it will give us Rs 7,000, which is the fund collected by school A. Similarly, this is the fund collected by school B and this is the fund collected by school C. When we add all these three funds, we get the total fund collected, which is Rs 21,000 rupees. Now values generated by the above situation are the caring and kindness that the schools display towards the flood victims and a general social responsibility that one should have towards the needy people. Thank you.